Alright, first off, let me say, this thing has gotten pretty weird. If I sound weird, that's not me. That would be Ellie and Misty talking me to things. As always, like voices in my head.
Why not?
It's all you.
It's called influence. Influence
We didn't
is
influence you.
most of the time.
Don't blame us.
I really don't have much to say. Huh. I just have to say. If you ask me a question about a movie, I'll get all crazy with it.
Everybody happy. That's just song pretty good, actually. Everybody gay.
Hey, Owen.
What? Wait, I already said that.
Do you remember that episode?
I poke on my head.
Cursing it. What the hell? Huh. I think I saw this thing like turn flash green or something just now. You saw it? I'm not crazy!
Yeah, you want?
When I turn 80, I don't want to sound like this. This is a very bad thing to sound like.
This goes out to everyone who knows me. Don't judge me. Not even if I do sound like a female at this point. Don't judge me. Goodbye!